I'm going to show you how you can easily add a GIF to your Telegram profile picture. First, open your Telegram application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Now tap on My Profile to view your profile settings. After that, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This will provide you with options for editing your profile. Here, tap on Set Profile Photo to change your current profile picture. Now select the GIF you want to use from your device's gallery. Ensure that the GIF is already downloaded and saved on your device. Then, tap on the tick icon in the bottom right corner to confirm your selection. Now as you can see, the GIF has been added to your profile picture.